Hello, people. My name is Love, but some people call me Oversabi. My name is Oversabi. I'm tired of correcting and editing, so I decided to finally bear the name Oversabi. That will only be when I'm about to talk to you people about important issues like this. You must have seen my previous video on Team Tissue or Team Water, but today we're about to talk about it again in a new way, in a different way. That video was posted in 2016. It is 2018 and some people really still think it is old school and old-fashioned to use water to wash, to clean after yourself after doing something that is as dirty as that is as messy as that. Let's take a moment to think about the people who just go there to the private room and then they smear, and after smearing they come out. I think you people need some practical descriptions. Where is my foundation? I have one foundation that is very thick. That's the one I want to use. It's when you need something like this that you will not see it. Oh, I think I know the reason why my makeup is funny today. I did not use my primer. I can't find the thick foundation. Maybe we will use this one. Let's use this one. Okay, so I will take this foundation and I will put a little on my mirror. Okay, so watch this. So I've put a little foundation on my mirror. That's what you see over there. Then I will take my tissue, because you people are Team Tissue, and I will do like this. So now I've wiped though, in my mind I've wiped. I'll clean it again because you know you have to do it 2 times. Then I'll now wear my underwear and step out. Some of you don't even wash your hands after doing that, but with wipes, because I told you people the last time that I use water or I use baby wipes. Now I'll take this wipe and you see this. Let me put a fresh one so you will not say that it's cheating. I'll put another. In fact, let me put more. People are wasting my MAC foundation. I don't like this kind of play. You take your wipes and you clean the first time. It's gone. But because we just want to be sure, we'll clean again. It's clean. Now, if you don't have wipes, you have to use water. That is why I advise ladies. In another video, I will show you the things in my handbag. I advise ladies, have sanitizer in your bag and also have a shower gel or a washing liquid in that bag. Because if you go into the convenience in maybe a hotel or your office and then there's no soap, what are you going to do? And I also am not a fan of just leaving that place, just washing it with ordinary water. Wash it with ordinary water, or at least you can use some, fruit scented, soap, and then just, I'm not saying put it in. So my memory was full, very unfortunate. Not the memory in my head though, the one in my camera. People will think that my head is now full. So I'm not saying you should put this thing inside the holies of holies. Let me not just start saying things that are not. I don't want to go to hell because I'm trying to explain to you people something that's very important. But you just need to feel fresh and feel scented. How do you feel after smearing? Is it bread and butter? I don't understand. I've shown you this very small demonstration, and now I told one of my friends and he said I was local. He was like, hey, love, oh, love. I cannot shake hands with you again. You are local. So you're just like the abokis. So you wash with your hands. So I am just looking at him like, Come to Oyibo land. They have something they call the bidet, so that you will know that it's not a local thing. Let me go and show you the one in my bathroom. And then I will come back. And
if my camera does not adjust to this settings again, you're going to be in trouble. Let me show you what it is. I'll just Google it. Let me just show you.
So there are also toilets that have dual function when it flushes, so it can flush and then it has some holes, like 2 or 3 holes, that put water that shoots itself directly like this. It squirts water. And the purpose of that is for you to clean up properly after doing your business. And then there are also some toilets, which we have in Nigeria too, that have this long extended shower thing that when you put it on, it squirts, it goes as if you're spraying mosquito. It's not for play, it's not by mistake, it's not there, they did not forget it there. It's for you to clean up properly. So please, my Ajabo brothers and sisters, please do not be your integrity is who you are in the dark. So if in the dark you are like that, I cannot trust you. How do you feel in your conscience? How do you feel in your mind, my sister? The eyes of the Almighty are watching you. So please be clean in and out, in the secret and in the open. Feel fresh and smell fresh for yourself. Don't say, who cares? I'm not seeing anyone, I'm not dating anyone, I'm not going for weekend in any boyfriend's house, or I'm very single, no need for me to take care. You need to take care for yourself. How are you people feeling using tissue now? Wow. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned a new lesson from me. Yes, I am Ovasabi. Although I told you people that my name is Ovasabi, but who cares? It's a nice name anyway. Good night.